Hey everyone! Today, I'm super excited to show you how to get a football in Infinite Craft. Let's dive right in. First things first. You're going to need to combine earth and wind elements. When you do that, you'll end up with dust. Now, take the wind and sprinkle it on the dust. And voila! You'll get sandstorm. Next step. Combine sandstorm and sandstorm. This will give you dust storm. Now, take the sandstorm and apply it to the dust storm. You'll end up with dust bowl. Alright. Now it's time to make some mud. Grab some water and mix it with dust. You will get mud. Once you've got your mud, mix it up with the dust bowl. And there you have it. Mud bowl. Now, just add some mud to the mud bowl and ta-da! You've got yourself a football. And that's how you get a football in Infinite Craft. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.